Welcome to Hidden Wonders of Nature, our YouTube channel where we explore the fascinating world of nature. In this video, we will be diving into the history of carrots, their health benefits, and some delicious recipes that you can try at home. So, sit back, relax, and let's explore the hidden wonders of carrots. Disclaimer: the information in this video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. It is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of a qualified healthcare provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition. The views expressed in this video are those of the presenter of Hidden Wonders of Nature. Hidden Wonders of Nature is not responsible for any consequences that may arise from following the information in this video. The origin of carrots. Carrots are one of the most widely consumed root vegetables in the world. But, do you know where they come from? The earliest known origins of the carrot can be traced back to the Middle East, where they were originally grown for medicinal purposes. It wasn't until the 10th century that carrots began to be cultivated for food in the region. From there, the popularity of the carrot spread across Europe and eventually made its way to the Americas. In fact, the first recorded carrot cultivation in North America dates back to the early 1600s in the Massachusetts Bay Colony. Today, carrots are grown and consumed all over the world, with China being the largest producer. The health benefits of carrots. Carrots are not only delicious, but they also have several health benefits. Let's take a closer look at some of these benefits. Improved vision. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which is converted to vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining good eyesight and can help prevent vision loss. Strong immune system. Carrots are packed with antioxidants, which can help boost the immune system and protect the body against disease. Healthy skin. The vitamin A in carrots can also help improve skin health by reducing inflammation and promoting healthy cell growth. Lower risk of heart disease. Carrots are low in calories and high in fiber, which can help reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering cholesterol levels. Digestive health. The fiber in carrots can also promote healthy digestion by preventing constipation and maintaining regular bowel movements. Lower blood pressure. Carrots are rich in potassium, which can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Cancer prevention. The antioxidants in carrots, including beta-carotene and falcarinol, have been linked to a reduced risk of certain cancers, such as lung and colon cancer. Improved cognitive function. The nutrients in carrots, such as vitamin A, vitamin K, and potassium, can help improve brain function and cognitive performance. Healthy teeth and gums. Carrots can help keep your teeth and gums healthy by stimulating the production of saliva, which neutralizes acid and promotes oral health. Delicious carrot recipes. Now that we've covered the history and health benefits of carrots, let's move on to some delicious recipes that you can try at home. Carrot soup. This hearty soup is perfect for a chilly evening. Start by sautéing onions and garlic in a pot, then add chopped carrots, vegetable broth, and seasonings. Let it simmer until the carrots are tender, then blend until smooth. Carrot and ginger stir fry. This flavorful stir fry is quick and easy to make. Begin by heating oil in a pan, then add sliced carrots, ginger, and any other veggies you like. Cook until the veggies are tender, then add soy sauce and sesame oil for flavor. Who doesn't love a good slice of carrot cake? To make this classic dessert, mix together flour, sugar, baking soda, and spices. Then add grated carrots, eggs, oil, and vanilla extract. Bake in the oven until golden brown, then top with cream cheese frosting. Carrot and lentil salad. This light and refreshing salad is perfect for a healthy lunch. Start by cooking lentils and let them cool. Then, mix grated carrots, chopped fresh parsley, red onion, and a lemon dressing. Add the cooked lentils and toss gently. Carrot fries. Instead of traditional potato fries, try making carrot fries for a healthier alternative. Cut carrots into thin, fry-shaped pieces and toss them with olive oil and your favorite spices. Then bake them in the oven until crispy and golden brown. Carrot and orange smoothie. This smoothie is a great way to start your day with a boost of vitamins and nutrients. Blend together chopped carrots, fresh orange juice, yogurt, honey, and ice until smooth and creamy. Carrot and ginger juice. This juice is packed with vitamins and antioxidants, and it's a great way to boost your immune system. Juice together carrots, fresh ginger, and apples for a delicious and healthy drink. We hope you enjoy trying out these tasty carrot recipes. In conclusion, carrots are not only delicious but also packed with numerous health benefits. From their origins as a wild plant to becoming a staple vegetable in our diets, carrots have a rich history and cultural significance. We hope you learned something new about this amazing root vegetable and are inspired to try out some of the recipes we shared. Thank you for watching this video on Hidden Wonders of Nature. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our latest videos. Also, make sure to turn on the post notification bell to never miss out on any new content. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more fascinating content in the future.